5 game-changing AI gadgets you can buy right now. From beds that know how you sleep to earbuds that understand your voice. AI is quietly changing the way we live. And in today's video, we're diving into 5 amazing AI gadgets that are changing everyday life. And you might want one for yourself. Let's start with something you use every night, your bed. The Sleep Number 360 smart bed uses artificial intelligence to track your heart rate, breathing, and movement while you sleep. It can adjust the firmness of the bed and even raise your head if it senses you re-snoring. Imagine your bed learning your sleep habits and improving them over time. Next, we have the Withings Sleep Analyzer. This looks like a normal alarm clock, but it's not. It uses AI to analyze your sleep quality and gives you personalized recommendations to improve it. Coming up, we'll take a look at earbuds that understand your voice commands. But first, these are the affordable AI glasses that can read your text messages and emails out loud. They even have a feature that allows you to dictate your messages. These AI-powered earbuds aren't just for music anymore. TimeKettle X1 can translate 40 different languages in real time. So whether you're traveling abroad or working with a global team, these smart earbuds can be your personal interpreter right in your ear. Now, to the kitchen. The Samsung Bespoke AI dishwasher uses AI to figure out how dirty your dishes are. It can then adjust the water pressure, temperature, and cycle time accordingly. And if it detects anything unusual, it will notify you via app. This is a smart device that can save you time and energy when you're cleaning your house. It's also a smart buy. You know what? Security has gone intelligent. The Google Nest Cam uses AI to detect people, animals, packages, and then it tells you exactly what it sees. It doesn't just record. It learns your routines and alerts you when something's off. AI isn't just watching, it's analyzing. And that got me thinking, what if there was an easier way to analyze my writing? Enter the FreeWrite Smart Typewriter. It's not just a fancy keyboard. It's like having a personal AI writing coach right on your desk. No apps, no tabs, just you, your thoughts, and a smart keyboard that helps you express them better. It's incredibly simple. Just plug it in and start writing. The AI takes care of the rest. It suggests improvements, tracks your productivity, and even helps you overcome writer's block. When you're done, you can save your work right to the cloud. The FreeWrite uses AI to analyze your writing in real time. It suggests improvements to your grammar, style, and tone. It's like having a personal editor with you all the time. Plus, it tracks your progress and helps you stay focused and motivated. It's the perfect tool for writers of all levels. Bloggers, students, professionals, or anyone who wants to improve their writing. In a world where distractions are everywhere, the FreeWrite Smart Typewriter is a breath of fresh air. No more getting lost in the abyss of the internet while writing. No more worrying about grammar or spelling. With the FreeWrite, you can focus on what matters most, your ideas. It's the best way to bring your thoughts to paper, to help you express yourself better. It's like having a personal assistant, but for your writing. It's the best way to bring your thoughts to paper. Okay, let's go back to the Google Nest Cam. Now, this is a smart home product that uses AI to make your life easier and your home safer. It's like having a personal security guard, but in camera form. The Nest Cam can detect people, animals, even packages, and then it tells you exactly what it sees. It's not just a camera, it's an intelligent security system. The Nest Cam uses AI to learn your routines. So if there's a delivery, it can let you know right away. If anything unusual happens when you're away, it can send you an alert. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that your home is being monitored 24/7. Plus, it can also detect familiar faces and notify you when they arrive home. It's like having a friendly neighborhood watch, but with technology at your fingertips. With the Google Nest Cam, you'll never have to worry about your security again. It's the perfect way to keep an eye on your home and loved ones. So whether you're looking to boost your productivity or enhance your home security, these AI-powered devices are definitely worth checking out. From sleep to security, language to laundry, these AI gadgets are not futuristic concepts anymore. They're already here, and they're quietly upgrading our everyday lives. This is the AI that will change your life in 2023. No one. The Aura Strap. This sleep tracker looks like a fancy watch, but it's actually an AI-powered health monitor. It tracks your sleep, your heart rate, your stress levels, and more. And it uses AI to give you personalized recommendations for improving your sleep quality. Number 2, the home security system. This system uses AI to analyze footage from your cameras, detect potential threats, and alert you in real time. It's like having a personal security guard, except it's a gadget. 3. The interpreter. This device can translate any language into English or any language you want. It uses AI to analyze the audio and then generate a text-based translation on the spot. 4. The AI laundry. This smart laundry system uses AI to determine what type of fabric you're rewashing, and then it automatically adjusts the water temperature, the detergent amount, and the wash cycle accordingly. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Tech and Gadget Zone for more mind-blowing tech every week.